back to Organized Mom. I swear my Dollar Tree is the worst in the state. But here's the thing. I may have the worst Dollar Tree, but this may be the best video I ever made. Today I am unveiling some of the best Dollar Tree hacks. These were the things you thumbed up. I have a Dollar Tree with not a bunch of stuff. We're unpacking a lot of gems. Let's hit it. Or in my best Dollar Tree secrets that you can find in any store. Truly, I mean it. This is an incredible new product. Look at this wallpaper. I recently did a video on peel and stick, and you guys loved all the amazing ways to use Dollar Tree wallpaper. I think this is my brand new obsession. Where would you put this one? Let me know in the comments down below. The cherry blossom pattern had to come home with me for our dresser. What's so great about this is that it's repositional and so easy to cut. When I lay these in, I just fold it over to the side and cut it with a pair of scissors. You can see here that I reposition it to get it just right. If you're thrifting furniture, this is such a great way to update the inside. You can even update the back of pieces. Now for some of your ideas. Have you ever walked by these at the Dollar Tree? A beautiful viewer just told me she uses the silicone pot holders to open up stubborn jars. I tested this out and I was definitely impressed. Another amazing trick shared by a wonderful viewer is that dry erase markers are really great to label your food storage containers. You can also label anything in the fridge, also your washing machine, things you need to go not into the dryer but hang dry, to let your spouse know. Just wipe away with a sock. Speaking of the laundry room, I had so many comments about these long reach pickup tool. Also, this grabber from the Dollar Tree, a viewer recommended to use these behind the washer and dryer to get things that have fallen. I am always looking for those hacks, especially if they're for a part of the house I'm using all the time. And I had to share this one. My beautiful viewer said that she puts her bath mat vertically because she steps out of the shower and walks forward and not to the side, right? I mean, I thought this was totally genius, and once I tried it in my home, it was a complete game changer. And now, back to the Dollar Tree for your cleaning hacks. Viewer tricks unveiled. Effervescent denture tablets. Now, I use these to deodorize my shoes. But did you know, according to my viewers, you can use this to descale a coffee pot, and you can use it inside your toilet to get rid of rings. There are so many uses for denture tablets, just $1.25. Great tricks. You can see the rings starting to form in our toilets. I just put 2 of these tablets inside and let it sit for a few hours. Then you can flush and clean as normal, and it does an amazing job. We are here to learn together. I know you can use Barbasol to remove stains from a mattress. This works so well. All you have to do is rub a little bit on and then take some vinegar water solution and rub it away. This acts as an abrasive cleaning agent, but what I'd really like to know from you guys is, can you use the aloe version or the sensitive skin version, or do you have to use the normal Barbasol? I would love to branch out into other scent options, but let me know in the comments down below what you like to use Barbasol for. It's funny how sometimes when you walk into the messy stores, there's always that one spot that has a clean area that looks really nice, and this is where I got this brand new product. These are cork bulletin boards, and they're kind of like squishy, and they have a lot of give to them, and look at these adorable push pins. They have these little pom-poms on them, and I really feel like I could do a lot with these in like a kitchen or an area like that. All styled up. I have a hack for you. They have Pears soap here. Now, what I really like about the Pears is a viewer commented that this works really great as a DIY eyebrow wax. This is more of a Gen Z moment. I'm a millennial, so I really don't even bother. I don't know how to do the Gen Z brow, but apparently this is a great Dollar Tree hack for $1.25. I love all these new finds. Sometimes the small stores are even better. How many projects do you use zip ties on? I use them a lot, and I found out I've been using them wrong. One of my amazing viewers commented that you don't have to cut the zip ties. You just twist them after you zip tie them, and then they just come off, and it won't have that sharp edge that cuts your fingers. This is literal genius. I really love this hanger. You can put it in the bathroom to put your towels on it. You could put it in the kitchen. How would you use this one? Let me know below. Who knows, maybe you'll end up in another video. Definitely leave your Dollar Tree tips in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear from you. My beautiful friend, don't forget to follow your heart and have fun at whatever Dollar Tree you are at.